And I'd like to bring market watchers this afternoon, rather, Aaron Gibbs and Jamie Cox. Hey, from time to time, the market, it's like following sports, right? Investors and fans of sports, they love streaks, they love trends. So here we are, 2021. We've seen new highs in the S&P every single month. Only once in history has that happened throughout the entire year. Also, and by the way, that was 2014, and there have been at least 60 sessions this year that have closed at new highs. That record 77. Aaron, is there enough momentum for us to make history? Take those records out and make some history here.
I wish I could say yes, but I think it's unlikely because we only have 42 trading days left in the year. That means that 40% of the days would have to be new highs. I think that's a lot of momentum to ask for. So not that I think that we're in for a correction or that the market's going to tank. I'm still very positive towards the end of the year, but I'm not sure we're going to beat that record.
Aaron, I know you've been somewhat cautious on earnings, at least the last time we spoke. How are you feeling now, particularly with the guidance that's coming out? That's what I really think has been a key ingredient here.
Yes, so when I'm looking also at not just guidance, but what are analysts doing right away? How are they changing and revising the next 3 quarters? And overall for the S&P 500, it's going up every single quarter for the next 3 quarters. The S&P is expecting to have higher profit growth, but much like what Jamie was saying, it's really about certain sectors. So financials, real estate, energy. They've been massively revised up, and that's what's really pushing the higher earnings estimates versus industrials, consumer discretionary. They've been massively revised down for the next 3 quarters. So ultimately, we've had more upward revisions and downward revisions, but you have to be careful about which sectors are expected to do well over the next 3 quarters.
Here's a tricky